Okay guys, this is a on-ride video from our Forup vlog. So if you're looking at only the on-ride of Hvirvelvinden at Forup, you can check the full vlog to get the full park and all the on-rides of all the attractions in the park. But this is the old spin rock ride from Liseberg, our home park. But now it's known as Hvirvelvinden here at Forup. Let's see if it is as fun as we remember it.
I don't remember it goes so high.
It goes kind of high. Yeah, it's gonna tickle. It's gonna tickle. I promise. This is enough. Oh my God, it's nothing. Let's see if we remember this ride. Oh, nice. Oh, there's Andreas over there. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. That's great. I like this. Woo! I can tell you it is as I remember it. This is nice. Woohoo! Och vi har det på film. Ah, this is powerful. Now you feel it. There we go. Woohoo! There we go. Some airtime. Woohoo! Free airtime. Woohoo! Oh, so great. Oh, wow. Just as I remembered it. Oh, there's some great screams there. Oh. Loki is 10 times better. Absolutely, that's my #1 flat ride in the world. But this is good. This is really good. Yes, it was. I know that there's gonna be 2 people at least at home. It's gonna be very sad now. So, extra tour. So there's gonna be 2 people at home being sad now. I think at least Jessica. I think she liked this one.
She would like to do
Sista tour. Extra tour. Okay, this was a great ride. Okay.